Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about one beautiful app that we just need to explore. And the name is Instantly. Instantly is the effective cheat code for cold mailing, at least what they proclaim they are. We are going to talk about it, what it actually is, and also we'll sneak peek into it so you exactly know what you can work with if you submit to this instantly cheat for cold mailing. So what is Instantly and how does it work? With limitless email sending accounts, unlimited warm-up, and clever AI, you can instantly scale your outreach initiatives. With Instantly's AI-powered cold email campaign management, you can improve your email deliverability and response rate. The platform's automated account warming tool ensures that no one is forgotten. And smart sending features help you save time when reaching out to people in their inboxes. Every day, send thousands of emails without jeopardizing your sender's reputation. Create your campaigns, connect your sending accounts, and watch as your leads become customers. By constructively interacting with your emails, Instantly warm-up tool keeps your email out of spam and boosts your sending reputation. Instantly is ideal for B2B sales executives, business owners, marketers, agencies, and freelancers who want to automate their cold emailing marketing campaigns to get more done in less time. Allow Instantly to turn leads into prospects by connecting several sending accounts to your campaigns. Their intelligent warm-up technique keeps your emails out of the spam folder. Better deliverability is beneficial to your company. Smart sends, follow-ups, and built-in reputation management help you get the most out of the campaigns. It's made for everyone, for all types of companies, small, bigger, also the smallest one, I would say even for individuals. If we want to check the pricing, if it's also people affordable, they are referring as two types of subscriptions, monthly and yearly, growth and hyper growth. With monthly, obviously it's gonna be a little bit more expensive, but it's not a tragedy. Unlimited email accounts, unlimited email warm-up, that's the same for both of them. 1,000 active leads or 25,000 active leads. 5,000 emails or 100,000 emails monthly, and live chat support or premium support. We need to find out what that actually means. Okay, so what now? We need to check for the free trial if it's hard to actually get inside and maybe become a paid customer once. Obviously, first name, last name. Let's go like this. Password. Maybe I made a mistake. Agree, privacy and policy. Join now. Okay, this is pretty self-explanatory. I don't have to describe too much how to create maybe your own account and all the things that you should already know about. And you are not here for the option of how to log in. So where did you find us? Let's go with YouTube, maybe email. Oh, only one is okay. So YouTube. What best describes your company? Agency, recruiting, consulting, and coaching. Okay. Verify your email. Okay. It's funny that they proclaim that they can keep you out of the spam folder, but maybe you'll find confirmation email in the spam folder. That's really to think about. But yeah, what they're really great in, as I see, is that they're already sent an email. From my perspective, or from my point of view, and also from my experience mostly, sometimes you can wait for the email for a lot of time, like a lot. And we are here. So connect and warm up your email accounts, campaigns, analytics, Unibox, and also the settings. An instant accelerator. Okay, help. We just have to click through those, so you know. Okay, so email accounts. Email account, we need to add a new one. Okay. Log in to your what? Yeah. They need to re-verify me. Okay. But I want to use this one. It's very important not to leak my information. Okay. So let's go back. Let's do it later, since we don't need to do it right now. But maybe we will. But we are just sweeping around. Okay. And yeah, add an email account to get started. Office, IMAP, or Gmail. When your computer opens Gmail, click the gear icon, click all settings. Okay, so let's not do that in a... Okay, let's go to Gmail. They want us to click on the gear and settings, then right corner. Okay, see all settings. Ooh, there is a lot of it. Okay, I can show it to you right now. So forwarding and mob. Okay. In IMAP access, click on enable IMAP. Enable IMAP. It's already. Click save settings. Okay. Select the connection option. Okay. So right now, go to Google Workspace admin panel. Okay, just click there and then select OAuth app name client. But we have to log in back again. It's really important to not screw this up, not screw this one up. I need to log in with administrator account. What is this stuff? They are really through and through, and we need to do that because every single account, it's not administrator as what they are trying to tell me. So choose an account, add an account, email or phone. Okay, enter the password. Okay, this is me. Sign in with administration account. That's not okay. This is something that It's not really something that I stand behind because this is my administrator account. So I don't know what they are talking about. They are, this is weird. Okay, we can add a new campaign, at least before we figure it out, and I'll create a new video about it. Just for you guys, because this is weird. I don't know what's happening. So let's create a new campaign. Campaign name, let's go with tutorials, just like that. Click next, and we can obviously import the leads. You can import the leads from CSV, Lead Finder, emails manually, or Google Sheet. In this case, since for some reason I can't actually join with my master email, I'm gonna add manually. So to add the emails with name, you can use one of the following formats. So let's go with, as they proclaim, Matt King, and let's go with just like that. Then we can go Ann King with this email, maybe. We can even go with the format that, or with the email that they are not allowing me to proceed with. Lenny Weird. Okay. Just like that. And import emails. Upload them easily. And now we are building the system. I would say it's really nice to have this option. And just go step by step without it or with it. So step 1, at the very end. Well, we need to upgrade the plan. So there's a first bummer. In this case, I strongly recommend you using Stow.io. You can do everything in it without like caring too much about you're using free plan. So let's go with opportunity. Start typing here. Hello, this. Okay. And we can add a link. Can we add a folder? That's something that is usually paid for. No. Add a link. Click the resume campaign. Okay, campaign resumed. Click to pause campaign. Okay, and we can add a new step. A next step is, for example, okay, I get it how it is. So we just get rid of this step, and we can schedule it. Schedule it on every schedule name, days, Monday, okay, 9 AM, then it's beautiful. Just like that, we can go step by step, doing what we actually need, and then start or resume the campaign. Also, we have an options, accounts to use, stop sending emails and reply, tracking, delivery optimization, and subsequences. We can also check the analytics that we're going to check in next video about instantly.ai. So that's something that we need to pay attention to. And also, please guys, if you have any types of questions, please leave them underneath this video and I'll try to answer you as quickly as I can. Hopefully we can crack this instantly out and start with a campaign and add a new email to get started with. Hopefully they will fix the bug. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.